Claude Sonnet 4.6 AI SEO is insane. Claude Sonnet 4.6 just dropped, and it changes everything for SEO. Today, I'm going to show you a brand new AI model that just came out today. It's smarter, it's faster, it reads 1 million words in one go. And the best part, you can use it for free. I'm going to show you exactly how to use this thing to crush your SEO. Step by step, no fluff. It has a 1 million token context window. That's in beta right now, but let me put that in normal words for you. 1 million tokens is roughly 750,000 words. That's like 10 full novels. In one single prompt, you can feed it your entire website, all your competitor data, every blog post, every keyword list, all at once, and it reads the whole thing and gives you answers. Before this, you had to chop everything up into tiny pieces, feed it bit by bit, lose context, waste time. First up, keyword clustering. You take your big keyword list, could be 1,000 keywords, could be 5,000. You paste the whole thing into Claude Sonnet 4.6 and you say something like this: take this keyword list for the AI profit boardroom, group these keywords by search intent, separate them into informational, commercial, and transactional clusters. Then map each cluster to a content topic. That's it, one prompt. And because of that massive context window, it holds all 5,000 keywords in its head at once. No splitting, no losing data, just clean clusters ready to go. Second, competitive content gap analysis. You grab your top 3 competitors' content, blog posts, landing pages, whatever, you feed it all into Claude. Then you say, here is the content from 3 competitors in the AI automation space. Compare it to the AI Profit Boardroom's current content. Find every topic gap, find every keyword they rank for that we don't. Then give me a content plan to fill those gaps with articles that outrank them. One prompt, done. Third, full article drafts with on-page SEO baked in. You tell Claude. Write a 2,000-word blog post for the AI Profit Boardroom about how AI automation saves small businesses 10 hours a week. Use these target keywords. Include an FAQ section. Add internal links to these 3 pages. Optimize the meta title and meta description. Make sure the headers follow a clear H1, H2, H3 structure. And because this model is so much better at following instructions, it actually does all of that properly. You can chain prompts together, build a full SEO workflow. Prompt 1. Audit the AI Profit Boardroom website, identify the top 20 pages by estimated search value, find technical SEO issues, list all missing meta descriptions and thin content pages. Prompt 2, take that audit, now create a 90-day content calendar, prioritize topics by search volume and competition, focus on the AI automation niche. Prompt 3, write the first 5 articles from that calendar. Follow the SEO guidelines I gave you earlier. Include FAQ schema markup suggestions for each one. Prompt 4, review all 5 articles, check for keyword stuffing, fix any duplicate content issues, add internal linking suggestions between these articles and our existing top pages. Each prompt builds on the last. You're not starting from scratch every time. The 1 million token window means Claude remembers everything from prompt 1 when you're on prompt 4.